Come with me to explore downtown Shanghai and the Bund. Good. There's the sticks with fruit.
Yeah, it's like that. You put water with sugar and then
Look at that huge soup dumpling. They have a huge soup dumpling. Okay, here in Shanghai on the street have a egg custard tart and it's called a strawberry donut. It's a rice flour donut. Look at these baby crabs. What? They have pan-fried buns.
Can I get the tray to get
Wait, we'll get there in a minute. You want your dumplings first?
Yeah, the mini dumplings.
Okay. And then Mom says she would try one of these. 葱油 OK 好的。葱油饼。Check out these chicken wings. They're stuffed. I don't know. 这些里边有什么？
这个没有馅儿，它本身就是甜的。
甜的。
对。
It's a sweet one. You want one?
Yes.
OK. 要多少钱呢？
I accidentally spit on food.
Okay, we have our scallion pancakes and our dumplings. Let's see. Hold it up. Cool. And then we still have your sweet buns coming.
Yup.
So that fluffy pancake, it's good. It's not too sweet. It's topped with a whole bunch of stuff. They put mango bits and they put some kind of marshmallow cream, and it's got bits of cone on it too. So good flavoring. They top it with a little mango syrup. Neat way to do fluffy pancakes.
How about you say that same?
Okay, I'm eating these sweet glutinous rice balls, and they're really chewy. My son talked me into them.
Do you want me to be?
And they're just very chewy. They're made with glutinous rice, fried, and then they microwave them or whatever to heat them up. Sugar cane juice. They fresh squeezed these. They took sugar cane and pressed it so that you could have fresh sugar cane juice.
Totally
Good, and surprisingly it's not too sweet. So these little dumplings were so good, Michael asked for a second plate of them.
Me too. Yeah.
Yep.
Give it a taste.
Super hot. That's the brown sugar milk. It's got all kinds of herbs in it. There's, it looks like it's got almonds and, what's that called? Ginkgo? Goji. Those are goji berries. So there's the brown sugar milk. It's got goji berries and burdock root in it. So let's give it a try. It's got brown sugar and it's really good. Really, really good. So they did a nice job there at that stand. That was a food court here on Nanjing Road.
And we might go there again.